We do OG interview whenever. I hate the interview the way they try to spin shit, flip shit, turn shit, burn shit, make shit something that it ain't. I think that's real square. Nigga can't even, make a nigga not even wanna, nigga can't even joke publicly no more. Nigga really gotta keep everything off the record, cause it's like, y'all niggas be so square, man. So serious all the time. Niggas wanna be serious. Niggas only wanna be serious when ain't shit serious. Niggas only wanna be serious when ain't shit serious. That should be crazy to me. Niggas don't care about shit when shit serious. But when it ain't serious, you know what I'm saying? But I'm sorry, we ain't all rich like you, bro. We ain't all rich like you, like, with a beautiful family sitting by the water eating wings, man. And our $1 million cars. You know what I'm saying? Everybody ain't got it like that. But it is what it is. I ain't tripping. I'm outside in the cold, man. Coolin'. Just wanted to come on here for a second. Talk about how the internet was blowing me, get on my fucking nerves with that corny shit. But y'all have a good night.